welcome to another video. This is a review of Hotel Centrum Akureyri. Thank you guys. If you're a new subscriber, I would like to welcome you. Thank you for joining this family, and if you're here and a returning subscriber, thank you again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. It's fun, it's like here. Anyways, without further ado, let's go watch this video. But in the end of the video, I'll just come with the pros and cons of the hotel, and you'll let me know what you think in the comment section. Anyways, let's go. Hey guys, if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I have so much respect for you, and I promise to come on here and tell you exactly what I saw, the pros and the cons. I couldn't say everything, otherwise it would be a whole 2 minutes, but I try to break it down for you and for your decision to make. Would you stay here according to what I saw and what you've seen in the video? Anyways, let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please hit on that button, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Anyways, let me know in the comment section what you think about the hotel, and would you stay there or not? Anyway, from me and mine, thank you for watching again. I will see you on my next video. Bye.